This is Steve Pastillo from P2 Automation. Now I want to show you how to create your own email templates that you can use in quick campaigns. What you do is click down here where it says Sales, and we're in the Sales Hub app, so templates are found here under Personal Settings. This may say something different depending on your app. If you're using CRM Plus, it might say something like Lookup Values or Admin or something, but in this case it's Personal Settings. And you'll see an item here on the left called Email Templates. Here's a list of several email templates. Here's one that's connected to an account. Here's some for cases, contacts. There's several in here. You can create a new template from scratch, or you can start with an existing template. Let's do that. Let's start with this Contact Reconnect template that we used in the last video. I'll scroll down. Don't ask me why they're not alphabetized, but let's select Contact Reconnect. And you can see the verbiage that's set up as well as the fields. There's a field for the contact's full name. And if for some reason you don't have the first name and last name in the system, the template will put in the word valued customer. And the same thing happens down here, contact owner. Let's select this one. And here's everything you can set up. The name of the template. Let's say we want to call this a contact follow-up. Permission level is either individual or organization. So if you just want to build your own, that's an individual template, or you can build one that's used by the whole group. If you want to put a description, you can, that's optional. Here's the subject line. Let's say we want to say, hi, first name. Hi, Jim, just following up. To put in that first name, click up here where it says Insert Dynamic Text. And we want to grab the information from the contact record. So this would be the person you're sending to, where user is the person that's actually doing the sending. So contact, first name, and if for some reason there was no first name, you could say something like there. Hi there. Insert that. So first name there, exclamation point. And then down here, same thing. Let's say we don't want to say dear full name. We want to say dear first name. And if for some reason that was blank, it'll say dear valued customer. I'm going to click return here. And let's say I want to sign it with my full name. Insert dynamic text again, but select the user, put your full name. You don't have to pick default text. The full name is going to show up for the user record. And let's say I want to put in my phone number too. There are several phone numbers. Could be your main phone, your mobile phone, or an other phone. Let's just pick the main phone. And that's not a required field on the user record, so you can always put in your phone number. If for some reason you didn't have a phone number and you didn't pick a default, or in this case, if the full name was blank, it just wouldn't print anything. So it's not going to hurt the email. And then maybe you want to put in your email address too. If you look up here where it says email, there is no email, there's an email to. It's actually called primary email on the user record. And you can type in something like that if you don't have a primary email, but of course that is required. And it's that easy. When you get back to the point in a quick campaign where you'll want to select a template, it shows up right here, contact follow-up. And the email has the first name here on the dear line as well as the subject line with the user, admin user, in the signature with the phone number and the email address. Pretty simple. If you'd like our help increasing your team's productivity, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And as always, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.